In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a Gumroad creator. If you've come across a product or profile on Gumroad that violates their policies, whether it's copyright infringement, hateful content, or clearly illegal material, the right place to start is Gumroad's official Report a Gumroad Creator form in their Help Center. Open your browser and head to the Help Center, then look for the page titled Report a Gumroad Creator. If you're searching, include the phrase Gumroad Help Center to make sure you land on the official page. Double-check that you're on Gumroad's site before you proceed. Once you're on the page, you'll see a form designed to capture exactly what's wrong. Use the form to describe the issue in clear, factual language. Choose the category that best matches the problem: copyright infringement, hateful or abusive content, or illegal activity. Keep your explanation straightforward: what the content is, where it appears, how it violates Gumroad's rules, and what led you to that conclusion. If you're reporting copyright infringement, explain what work is being infringed and how the creator's product copies or misuses it. If it's harmful or illegal content, reference the specific element that makes it a violation. Aim for accuracy over emotion and stick to what you can show. To help Gumroad evaluate your report efficiently, provide as much detail as possible. Include direct links to the offending product pages and, if helpful, the creator's profile. If there are multiple products, list each URL. Add a short note for each link explaining what's problematic about it. Attach relevant screenshots that clearly show titles, descriptions, media, and any text or imagery that demonstrates the violation. Make sure screenshots are legible, uncropped in a way that preserves context, and, if possible, include visible timestamps or page headers. If the content changed over time, briefly outline the timeline in your description. The goal is to make it easy for the reviewer to verify your claim without guessing. Before you submit, review everything for clarity. Remove any personal or sensitive information that isn't necessary to assess the report. Check that all links open correctly and that your explanation matches the evidence you've attached. After you submit the form, Gumroad's team will review your report and may follow up if they need more details. Response times can vary, so keep a copy of what you sent and be patient. By using the official report, a Gumroad creator form, and providing precise, well-documented information, you give the trust and safety team what they need to take appropriate action.